Thank you for choosing RockSolid Floors, Polycuramine interior color coating system. This video, along with the supplied instructions, will detail the process of coating your floor, giving you optimum appearance and years of durable use. Before you begin, make sure you have enough RockSolid diamond coat and color shots needed for your project. Before you apply your coating, a proper surface is needed to assure adhesion. If you are coating concrete, we recommend RockSolid Safe Etch Solution to open the pores of the concrete to accept the coating. Also, you must perform a few simple tests to make sure your concrete is ready to be coated. Please refer to your included instructions for specific details on these tests. If you're coating any other surface, including wood or tile, please refer to your preparation instructions. After your surface is prepared, you are ready to mix the RockSolid Floors Diamond Coat Clear Base. Before use, the color system roller should be delinted using duct tape. Wrap the tape around your hand with the sticky side facing out and lightly dab onto the roller and/or sweep the surface to remove any loose hairs. This is a thick nap roller of high quality, but should always be cleaned using this method before use. Mix only one pouch at a time to break up any clumps you may feel in the liquid and blend them in to the rest of the coating. Do this to all pouches so that they are ready when you need them. Our patented pouches each contain two components that need to be combined. This is accomplished by placing the pouch on the ground and rolling it from the part A side towards the part B side like a tube of toothpaste. This will create pressure in the part A side and force the middle seal to burst, allowing the two components to mix together. Thoroughly mix the materials by shaking the pouch back and forth and squeezing the edges and corners towards the center of the pouch. Mixing should be done for at least 1 minute. At this point, the product is activated and must be applied within 1 hour. Pot life may vary due to temperature. Pouring half the contents of the pouch into each of two containers, add one entire color shot into one bucket and the other corresponding color shot into the other bucket. Use a paint stick to scrape the sides to get all the tint out. Thoroughly mix the tint for 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure at some point to scrape the sides of the bucket to ensure all components and tint are thoroughly mixed together. Now you are ready to coat your floor using the 9-inch Diwali roller kit. Pour the two colors into separate sides of the color system roller tray. Add just enough material to fill each chamber until the colors are almost in contact with each other. After filling, set aside the mixed material buckets out of the way until more product is needed in the roller pan. Cut in the edges by using a 3-inch chip brush, dipped in a small amount of each color simultaneously to blot along the edges. Once you start with your roller application, saturate the roller with two tinted materials in the roller pan. Do not push down on the roller, as this will cause it to thicken up and reduce the texture that can be achieved. As a general rule, the metal roller frame should always be on the right side of the pan when dipping the roller. The first stroke of the roller should be a large 3 foot by 3 foot M and W pattern to spread the material out. There should be little to no pressure applied to the roller during this step. Once the M and W pattern have been applied, immediately rotate 90 degrees and roll in the opposite direction of the first roll, using short 6-inch to 12-inch strokes. For best results, change roller direction continuously while spreading the material lightly with the roller. For each dip of the roller, you should be able to cover about 25 square feet, a 5 foot by 5 foot area. This will keep the application rates on target to apply the material properly. Do not over-roll the coating, as it will cause unwanted blurring of the two colors. The goal is to leave the floor totally covered, no concrete showing through, but with a two-tone finish. Continue this process until the entire area has been coated, adding more material to the pan when necessary. On average, a roller will be able to coat 500 square feet. If the roller gets sticky or hard to work with, change it out. Repeat the above steps for each additional pouch. Control joints are not meant to be coated with this material. If you have further questions, please contact RockSolid Floors. Visit us online at rocksolidfloors.com.